boys, natutulog.
No, Jerome, I'm very sorry.
Oh! Hey, rakrakan! He deserved to be supported as well with his own vocal. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for Jerome Ebardome para sa kanyang performance ng Martyr Rivera sa kanyang Echoes of Elvis concert. Yes, we are so excited for this. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. And mega love shoutout sa lahat ng ating ka-Jeromantics all over the world. Ano pa nga ba hinantay natin, guys? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Ito yung pagkatapos ng performance ni Sir RJ. Grabe ang support ni Sir RJ sa kanya, guys. Grabe. Iba ang leather jacket at leather pants. Ang init pa naman sa Pilipinas, guys. For sure, pawisan ang Jerome.
Kasi yung boses ko. Ba't lumipis?
This... Oh my God, is this his normal voice?
Kasi yung boses ko. Ba't lumipis?
Oh my gosh.
Hindi ko malalim. Hindi ko malalim.
Apaka-sweet pala ng boses ito ni
Hello,
Jerome.
ang Elvis boys, natutulog.
No, Jerome, I'm very sorry.
Oh!
Right now. Go take a time.
Oh my God, I love it!
Natutulog.
No, Jerome, I'm very sorry. I'm sleeping right now.
Oh,
Go take a
it's in an instant, kaya niya talaga magpalit ng boses.
Ang Elvis boys, natutulog.
No, Jerome, I'm very sorry. I'm sleeping right now. Go take a time.
Go take your
Okay, Sir
time.
Elvis. Okay.
Papahinga daw muna si Elvis. So, normal voice niya to.
Hindi ako makapag-Elvis. Pero, di ba, marami naman akong... Ay, sorry. Kaya naman ng aking normal voice.
Out
okay
na
naman
normal voice ang
kung
Jerome.
tayo okay sa inyo.
Kala ko Elvis Presley pa rin ang Martyr Rivera eh.
Okay. So may kanta akong gusto kong kantahin. One of my favorites actually. Pero
Pero ang balita ko, ang favorite band niya daw, local band, nakita ko sa comment, ay River Maya. Hinahanap ko yung You'll Be Safe Here, hindi ko makita,
hindi ko
guys.
naman siya nakakita masyado from this place. Kasi Elvis na ako eh. So, are you ready?
Ay, excited to.
Okay!
Eh, rakrakan! Iba rin rock and roll ng Pinoy version. OPM version tayo for today. Parang pogi yun, like the drums. Sorry. Eh! Uy, diba? Maganda to kanta na to. Oh my God, in fairness talaga sa normal vocal ni Jerome, kayang-kaya niya rin magkaroon ng sarili niyang music in terms of his own vocal. Grabe yun. Bigla naging Elvis. Wow! Oh, it's so nice to watch him perform OPM as well in his normal voice. Hey! Diba? At saka same energy, same charisma, the way that he's performing, na iba lang yung boses, but still Jerome. You know, the chemistry or the vibe of Jerome is still there. Eh, wow! Grabe yung pawis niya, guys. Kasi na nga naman, sobrang init sa atin. Tapos naka-leather ka ng full blast. Nagbasa na siya ng lyrics, guys. ba ang performance level? Diba? Rakrakan talaga the OPM way, Jerome vibes. Hey! Give the give! Diba? All energy, all out. Diba? Kasi guys, kahit na alam yung Elvis yung ginagawa niya, the way that he's performing, iba rin yung normal vocal talaga ng isang Jerome Ebardome. Diba guys? Grabe. Agree ba kayo? He deserve to be supported as well with his own vocal. For sure, he can cover a lot of songs as well, not only Elvis, as an original OPM music artist. Eh, at saka napaka-versatile ng vocal niya, guys. Grabe, punas pawis talaga, guys. Nagpa-question up na siya. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome performing Martyr Nievera sa kanyang Echoes of Elvis concert. Grabe, napaka-versatile ng vocal ni Jerome. Not only as Elvis Presley, but his normal voice. He can do a lot of genre of music and he deserved to be supported. Even he uses normal vocal kasi sobrang galing niya. Na-reacta natin yung isa niyang kanta na he uses normal voice and sobrang galing, guys. And now he's doing rock and roll OPM way. Sobrang galing din. I know that you agree, guys. Kaya naman mag-comment down below kayo what you can say about this performance of Jerome. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.